Hi, it's Rick Andrews with Century 21 Black Bear Realty. Today we're at the Bar Grille. Let's go check it out. Hi, it's Rick Andrews here with Century 21 Black Bear Realty on the beautiful shores of Lake Chateau. We're lucky enough this evening to be at the Bar Grille with the owner, Manny Carrion. Thanks for having us, Manny.
Thanks for having me.
Manny, give me your history. Tell me a little about the Bar Grille.
Well, the Bar Grille was established about 5 years ago. It used to be open, I want to say about 6 or 7 months out of the year, 2 or 3 days a week, and they would shut down for the winter time. We purchased it about 2 years ago, and we saw a lot of potential in this place, and now we're open 364 days a year, and we don't shut down. We've got air conditioning systems during the summer, we've got heating systems during the winter. It truly is a locals place.
Well, tell me a little about your drink menu.
Well, here at the Sandbar, we've got, we do beer, wine, and liquor. We always have a drink special that changes every month. We've got they're kind of like the slushies. We call them Sandbar Punch. They've got the ice in them. We've got 3 different kinds of those during the summer. Those are real popular drinks. We do like strawberry daiquiris, margaritas. Sandbar Punch is a big favorite of everybody's.
All right, tell me a little about your food menu.
Food menu, we've got the food truck here. That's where all of our food comes out of the food truck. And we've got anything from chicken to salads to burgers. Our 3 top sellers are going to be the cheeseburger, the wings, and the Cuban. Our Cuban sandwich, we sold over 4,000 of those last year in 2019. And what makes that really good is we actually slow roast the pork for 12 hours before we put it on the sandwich. And then we'll press it with the cheese, and it's our #1 seller. Like I said, over 4,000 of them last year.
You left off my favorite, the oysters.
The oysters, yes. Yep, those are on Thursday. We every night we kind of have a little theme night. Mondays is Margarita Monday, Tuesdays Porky Tuesday, Wing Wednesday, Seafood Thursday with fresh oysters and fresh shrimp, and then of course that's what we do here. It's a good time.
Manny, I really appreciate you having us here.
We appreciate you guys coming out here and making us part of this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Folks, if you're looking for a good time right on the shores of Lake Chateau, come check out the Bar Grille. You'll have a good time.